Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Viber on your Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. To download Viber on your Android device, first, make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you are connected, tap Open Play Store, go to the search box at the top and give it a tap. Type in V-I-B-E-R Viber and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. This one's the app that we are looking for, Viber, Save Chats and Calls. From this page, you can go ahead and know about the application, its ratings and reviews, and its previews. To download the application right away on your Android, tap Install in green. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Viber is a free, simple, fast and secure messaging and calling app which has been the choice hundreds of millions of users worldwide. You can make free audio and video calls, send secure messages, create a group call, up to 20 people, participate in a public community, and so much more. Once the application gets downloaded on your Android, you should see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open, and there you have your Viber application installed on your Android. Tap on Start now, type in your mobile number on the next page, and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.